So hey, this is Desmond here. I just got a brand new question on my YouTube channel. Hey Desmond, I want to do affiliate marketing with your program. Don't have any knowledge about affiliate marketing. Can I make good money with affiliate marketing? Great question. Now, I believe that affiliate marketing is something really easy, something really direct to make money. I mean, think about it. The whole entire idea about being an affiliate is all about promoting other people's products, so you don't need any product. And when you refer a sale to that product, you make some money for delivering that sale. Right? So that's basically what it is. Now, in the world of real estate, you are a real estate agent. In the world of financial advisory, then you are a financial advisor or financial insurance agent, right? So you get paid by your performance. Now, that's great. However, I have a very different thought when it comes to affiliate marketing. See, I don't hate on affiliate marketing. I make money using affiliates marketing. I've done a lot. In fact, I've done over $1 million as an affiliate before. But here's one thing that you really need to understand about affiliate marketing. It is not a business. It is never a business. So if you really want to do this well, you really want to do internet business in a way that is legit business, it's a business that you can pass down to your kid, it's a business that you are proud of. Unfortunately, affiliate marketing is not one of it. And here's the reason why I say that. The reason why is because when you are an affiliate, you are really promoting other people's product. And you are promoting other people's brand. You're giving the sale and all the power to the vendor. And you as an affiliate in exchange, you get what, 25% commission, 50% commission? It's a short-term play. If you want to do business the right way, online or offline, you have to always understand one thing. You have to always have your own product or services. You have to have your own rights. You have to have your own brand. And affiliate marketing doesn't give you any of this. So one thing you have to be cool about. Affiliate marketing is a great way to make money on the side. It's not a primary income source. Think about it. It's actually way better to become a vendor and you get promoted by hundreds of affiliates instead of you, one little person, trying to outrank a big affiliate or trying to out-promote a big affiliate. Really think about it. Now, I like affiliate marketing because of the simplicity. When you talk to people about it, people understand it. However, because the barrier of entry is so low, there's a huge amount of affiliates out there competing, promoting the same product. So let me ask you one question. Why would the consumer, why would the person that's buying the product choose to click through your affiliate link? How are they going to find you when there are hundreds, if not thousands of other affiliates out there promoting the same product? Think about this. What you want to be is not the affiliate. You want to be the person who's being promoted by the affiliate because that is the largest leverage. Imagine an army promoting your products. Imagine an army, hundreds and thousands of these people out there, you give them commission for referring sales to you. You are the one that make passive income because when you're promoting other people's product or services, chances are you're going to be actively trading your time to ensure that you can refer sales. And guess what? There is no compounding results out of this. The moment you bring a sale, you have to keep doing it again and again and again just so you can make more money. You don't compound your effort. But as a business owner with your own product and brand, the more people buy a product, the more they trust you, it compounds the values. As an affiliate, you're not doing anything that compounds. Overnight, you lose everything and tomorrow you wake up, you have to redo everything again. It's like a groundhog day. Understand this part. Affiliate marketing is not a business. It's a great way to make some money, but it should not be your primary income source. Hey, I hope you enjoyed that quick video that I've just made for you. If you like more videos like this, if you want to learn more tips, strategies, trainings, make sure you subscribe to my channel and make sure you check out some of the videos that I've made in the past so that you can watch them, you can learn more new stuff, and more importantly, make sure you like and comment because I promise you, I'll be sending you a lot more goodies soon.